Hi welcome back to our channel. So it's nightlife in Alicante and I'm just going to show you around. We're going to find something to eat. It's dinner time for us, but the scenery is so lovely. I can't help but show you what's happening here in Alicante by night, Thursday. So there's a restaurant, Italian restaurant called Ciao Bella, and you're going to sample what they've got. And my love.
Oh yes. So we're gonna go and have dinner. We're going for dinner, and
let's see what they've got.
We're going to an Italian restaurant called Ciao Bella.
Pizzeria Ciao Bella.
Yeah.
Ciao Bella, here we come. Buon appetit.
Apart from calamari, mozzarella dippers are my second favorite appetizer.
Great.
So obviously, because it's an Italian restaurant, they didn't have calamari here. So we opted for mozzarella sticks, and in the UK, I think McDonald's also, they call them mozzarella dippers. I kind of like the name mozzarella dippers. Anyway, so we've opted for mozzarella sticks and this like mini pizza, which is got cheese, and again it's mozzarella and bacon.
So I think Marie has got me hooked onto the calamari as well. I'm beginning to like it. Wherever we go, that's the choice that we go for first before anything else, for starters. Yeah, the dippers are nice as well. I love it.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's almost like it's tasteless, but then it's got some crunch to it. Okay guys, so we both went for, is it fettuccine?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
Yeah, and this is just some type of pasta with creamy sauce, white creamy sauce and bacon. I love my Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on it. There we go. And as you can see, obviously I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper as well. And as you can see, we didn't even finish our starters. So we're going to bring the starters with us. to our hotel and maybe nibble on it later on. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. It's quite a busy restaurant. Any restaurant that's busy shows that it's a good restaurant. At least that's our theory. And yeah, we go with it. So whenever we go to a new place and we want to try out a restaurant, we see the amount of people that are going in there, the caliber of people that are entering there, and it reassures us that, you know, people patronize it, and therefore it must be a good one. And as you can see, yes, we've got a lot of people eating here tonight, and that's why we're trying it as well. So enjoy the taste wherever you are as well. Just visualize it. Marie's laughing at me.
Visualize and enjoy.
Visualize and enjoy with us.
That looks really yummy. So, as you can see, we're sharing, which means that we're saving up on calories as well. We didn't finish our starters, so it's coming with us. Okay. Let me tell them what this was. So this is apple cake.
Okay.
With vanilla ice cream. Now usually I'd go for chocolate brownie or chocolate cake. But again, health conscious.
I'm surprised you didn't go for chocolate brownie. That's a favorite.
At least it's an apple.
The word apple is today, isn't it? That's interesting. Guys, so that was it. We enjoyed our dinner really well. Very good restaurant. It's Marie in the corner. Subscribe for more videos on this lifestyle, personal development, marriage and everything. We'll bring you along the journey with us. Let's grow together and let's make this channel a success. Alright then, take care. Bye.